Searching for information, identifying keywords. This tutorial was created through a collaboration between AACC's Virtual Writing Center, Truxal Library, and the Virtual Campus in fulfillment of a 2015-2016 Designs for Learning grant. It's a good idea to do a little bit of work before you start your research. Brainstorming can help you come up with additional words to use when you're searching. It can also help you narrow or focus your research topic. Try writing out a topic that's related to your assignment and interests you. Now try getting a little bit more specific. Ask questions like who, what, where, when, why, and how. This can help you get even more specific with your topic. Then divide your topic into key concepts. After you've narrowed your topic down, write it out in the form of a research question. At this point, you'll want to come up with additional words such as synonyms, alternate spellings, similar terms, or related terms to use in your search. What comes to mind? Keep in mind that some words will broaden your topic, while other words will narrow your topic. Also keep in mind that too many words can make your topic too broad. As a rough guideline, 2 to 4 words or phrases per concept is considered a good start. Some people find that using a concept map can be helpful. When you're done, group related ideas together, perhaps in a chart or a table, or in groups of words. Do whatever works best for you. You're going to use these words and phrases when it comes time to search for books, articles, and more. Writing them down takes a few extra minutes, but it can help you keep track of things. Keeping track of your search terms can save you time in the long run, especially when you need to ask help from library staff. If you need assistance, do not hesitate to contact the AACC Library Reference Desk. Library staff is happy to help.